All right, guys, it is not the morning. This is Monday evening. I've missed everything. I have been actually in the city, Tabulary, and I'm walking and huffing and puffing because I'm gonna show you this, guys. This is where we are. This is where we're gonna be. Let me get you guys there. Boom. Here it is. So I got this doggone tower, if you can see it. This tower, water tower, this is for the back of the house, guys. This is so we can catch all that good rainwater. But as I like to say, there's more, because we're giving you updates. Look at this. Booyah! We now got a mixer, guys. We got a mixer and a cement mixer, so everything can go fast. I told y'all, come October 1, this area right here is going up. We got a $60,000 build, house build, right? It's gonna make my house look like a baby. So right here, guys, we're gonna start come October 1st. We're gonna start building that. That's on the update. That's gonna be a separate video altogether. But yes, I had to get a whole bunch of supplies, but the mixer is the #1 thing I need so we can continue this. So remember, we got the 2,000 liters, right? Boom, look what they did while I was going, guys. Y'all watching this in real time like me. I'm seeing all this stuff for the first time. So that tower right here, because somebody asked me, was this my septic, you know, or my cesspool? So no, it is not a cesspool. That tower is going all the way up there, the water tower. So there we go. We're gonna have that up there so I can get it in there. Now, bought a whole lot of wood. I still got about another 250 of these to make the frame of the house. So while they get this off, what I'm gonna do is, because I don't want to see nobody hurt themselves on camera, or we'll see them take it off. But while they take it off, I'm gonna stay here, let them take it off, and then we're gonna walk in the house. Hey, don't walk on that no more. Come on. Come on. That's why I roped it off. All right, so where is he going with this? There we go. So we got the whole village, the whole neighborhood out here, guys, to I guess assist with this thing. Yeah. All right, here we go. The moment of truth. This thing got some weight. There we go. All right, these are more towels. This is for my master bedroom. So that's what we got going on here. We got the master bedroom tiles. Those is getting ready to go down. That's getting ready to go. And as you see, he's taking them to go in the master bedroom. And let's go in the house. Hello. Let's go in the house, guys, because it's getting dark. And I'm gonna try to show you a little bit, but it's dark. So here we go. All right, okay. So I'm not gonna show you out the living room, but what I will show you, I don't know if y'all can see up here with the light. I got my lights in. This room has not been touched. This room where it's dark, I don't know if the camera got it, is being painted now. So tiles are in. Bathroom is on standby. Just put that anywhere on the side. Yeah, just back there for the electrician. I keep all the electrician stuff in the bathroom. So we are actually in my bedroom, master bedroom. I got all the ceiling stuff standing out here. This is the color of my living room ceiling. And I don't know if y'all can see this, but I got my ceiling up and look at the trim. So that trim is this, guys. So it's gonna be that double hanging ceiling. When we get done, that's what's going on. We got everybody coming in, bringing in everything. And I'm gonna get outside and get y'all that footage. Cause this is already, what, 6 o'clock, 6:30-ish? Yeah, that's fine. Right there is good. It's already about 6 o'clock. Like I said, the neighbors out. We got the village here. Hey, how are you? Hello. Yes. So here we go. So we got everybody out here after work hours, helping out, guys. Whew. I don't know, what was that, like 20 boxes of tiles that I need for my bedroom? Well, I got tiles for the master bedroom. Those are different. So there we go. So we got everybody out here. Yes. Well, look at that. That's tots. Okay. Wow. Oh, wow. So look at that, guys. We just got back and we just got another delivery of wood. What's that?
For the wood.
For the wood. Okay, how many pieces is that all together?
26, 30, 40, 45.
45 more pieces of wood. Okay. There is more, right. You got it. There is more. So she got to handle the wood. Like I said, we just got back. We got wood here. They framing here. They're going to be framing over there. And here we go. Here we go. Let's see if this gets it. There we go, guys. Can y'all see that big? That's a beast. That's a beast. The mosquitoes are out. Gonna raise it up. Whoa. Kamot. Alright, watch your toes, watch your toes. There we go. Sagamay. I think they said don't let it fall over. Roll it back. Sagamay. There we go. As they say, success. Yes, success. That's a beast, guys. We got it. All right. Yes. So that is y'all update, guys. We got it. We got all the kids and babies out here. Hello. Hi, yes. There you go. All right, guys. So we got it. Turkeys up top if y'all can see them. Chickens are inside. The goats are in the house. So everybody is good. I got my little dog over there. So anyway, guys, this has been a little update for you guys. Monday, if I'm correct, it is now September 22nd. 8 more days to count down before October 1st. What is it? 30 days, right? So 8 more days before we start the new house build and before we move in. Brooklyn Nomad Travels, travel with us. Definitely build with us. And we will see you on the next one, guys. We are out of here. Yes. Hey, watch your tots. Watch the truck. Okay, thank you. She's there.
Okay.
She's at the top.
Boss,
Yes.
kasi mo pinita ng mixer.
Huh?
Kuman dito nyo gamit mga dito nyo tulog at now. Ikisuwin nila.
Yeah, the oil, right? Yeah.
Ano ba kani?